Hi folks, it is time for science, and this is your screencast for the whole week of May 4th through May 8th. So I figured that I was only going to post one screencast for this week because what you're doing this week is pretty much the same for both Tuesday and Thursday. And as long as you've kind of been being mindful of what we did last week, you pretty much know what's on the docket for this week. So last week I assigned and got you started on the human body system project, and today you have some more work time to continue getting that done. And Thursday you'll have some more time to get it done, and it will be due at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday. So let's go into Google Classroom. We'll talk a little bit about what you'll see and a little bit more about that assignment and some tips. So, stream, here is the Google Hangouts Meet. If you have questions or stuff like that, I'm available to help you. If you want me to take a look at your project and maybe make suggestions, I'm happy to do that as well. So, in the classwork category, we don't have anything new posted in terms of assignments. You've done the Actively Learn that was due on Friday of last week, and this human body system project is going to keep you busy through the rest of this week until Thursday, May 7th. These attendance questions will go live as usual. Thank you for posting your attendance questions and your answers. I really enjoy reading those, and it really helps when you have them turned in on time for me to get attendance submitted and to ensure that you are here. So, just a little bit more about the Human Body Systems project. Like I said, for the last couple weeks, you're going to be working on this project. And I made a few edits to it since last time. Hopefully you saw that in the updated screencast. We changed the rubric a little bit. It's now worth a few more points, which is great. That can really help boost your grade. And then we kind of changed the amount of projects. We originally had it set for 3, but we reduced it down to 2 just to make sure that we're getting really, really quality work from you. Really the way I would approach this if I were a student and I wanted to get my best grade on this is that I would take a really close look at the second page here with the rubric. So the rubric includes in it all of these sort of requirements that we listed up above, but it has it laid out in this sort of full credit, partial credit. So if you're wanting to get full credit, you're going to need to include the organ system and its overall function, the 5 required organs, how it relates to homeostasis, 3 different diseases, does it look good, do you have your works cited, and is everything formatted nicely? And this is the rubric that I'll be grading you by when I go through and, give you credit for these assignments. And, this is the last thing. I'm giving you about a week and a half to do each of these, so I do expect really quality work, and I am going to grade these pretty harshly. So put your best work forward. Everyone in these classes is a great student. I totally expect it to be really, really great work. And again, if you want me to look over your project, you want me to kind of make comments on it before you get a final draft turned in on Thursday, hop in during office hours or class time, and I'm happy to do that for you. Other than that, though, I hope that this is straightforward and it just feels like kind of an extension of last week, and you feel like you have plenty of time and the space to make sure that you're creating an awesome project to turn in by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So, that's all I got for this week. We'll finish up this project. We'll officially assign the second project next week. And all you have to worry about is finishing this one system and one project for this week. I wish you all the best of luck. Please let me know if you have questions or concerns. I'm available during class time or during office hours. And until then, be well, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye!